Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our American Airlines employee account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your American Airlines employee account, what you can do is just open up your browser, and after opening up your browser, in search bar you have to search for employee login American Airlines. And after searching for that, you will come up to this page. And after coming up to this page, now you have to tap on the first option which says American Airlines login. Then you will come up to this page where you have to enter your American Airlines ID. After entering your ID, just enter the password. And after entering your ID and password, what you can do is just tap on login. And after tapping on login, you will successfully log into your American Airlines account. But if you have forgotten your password, or if you are facing an error which says invalid password, what you can do is just tap on forgot password and then simply change your password. And after changing your password, just come back to this page and try to log in your account, and you will successfully log into your American Airlines account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your American Airlines employee account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.